Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to maths class. Today I am going to teach even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, see here even numbers, odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers means all those numbers which can be put in pairs are called even numbers. Okay, see here. Now I am writing here 1 to 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now I am writing here definition. Even numbers definition. All those numbers which can be put in pairs are called even numbers. All those numbers which can be put in pairs are called even numbers. Now other side I am writing odd numbers definition. All those numbers which may not be put in pairs are called odd numbers. See here, even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers means definition, all those numbers which can be put in pairs are called even numbers. In odd numbers, all those numbers which may not be put in pairs are called odd numbers. Means see here, for example here numbers is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In these numbers, what is the even numbers? What is the odd numbers? See here, all those numbers which can be put in pairs. Pairs means group. See here, first I am taking here 1. Okay, here 1 triangle. Okay, in this triangle I put in pair? No, why? Because here only 1. Means 1 came, this one is the odd number. Right here, odd number. Okay, next. Take here 2. 2 triangles you take here. 2 triangles. Okay. In 2 triangles, I am writing here A and B. These 2 triangles take the pairs. Why? Because here 2 is there. 1 and 2. I am taking here 1 triangle here, another triangle here. Means they came pairs. Yes or no? First pair and second pair. Okay, that's why 2 is even number. Okay, next take 3. Means take here 3 triangles. Now three triangles in pairs are come or not. See here, first I am writing here and B. First I am taking here yellow one triangle and B also take one triangle. Okay, next how many is less? Here one is left, means here one triangle not came pairs, that's why 3 is odd number. Okay, 3 is odd number. Next, now I am taking 4 triangles. Here 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here A and B. A and B. I want pairs. Pairs came, that one is the even numbers. Pairs raakapothunemo odd number. Okay, in 4 triangles pairs came or not came. Check them. See here. Okay, first one triangle here A lo తీసుకున్నా, another triangle B. Next third triangle here and fourth triangle here. Came pairs. Okay, group is there here. First group, second group. In 2 groups have same triangles is there. Here 2 and here also 2. Same is there. Pairs came. That's why 4 even number. Okay, next take 5. Next number is 5. Next number is 5. Take 5. 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in 5 triangles make groups A and B. A and B. A lo 1 first triangle. Next B lo. Okay, again 1, 2, 3. Again cut right here A and cut here B. Next, okay, here 1 is left, means group is came, pairs is came, not came, means 5 is odd number. This one is the odd number. O means odd number, E means even number. O antenemo odd number, E antenemo even number. Next, go to 6. Go to 6. Now take 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make pairs A and B. A and B. Okay, A lo 1 తీసుకున్నాం. Next B. Next here and here. Here and here. Okay, in both sides came same. Okay, that's why here came to pairs. Okay, which number that one is the 6 is even number. Okay, 6 is even number. Why? Because here came to pairs. That's why 6 is even number. Next go to 7. Go to 7. Arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Arrange here A and B. First A, 1 came. Next cut and write here B. Next cut right here and here. Next here, here, and again one more balance is there. Here not came pair. That's why 7 is odd number. Okay, 7 is odd number. Okay, even number means pairs. Pairs ko ochina dani even number antaru. Pairs ga rani dani odd number antaru. What is the definition? All those numbers which can be put in pairs are called even numbers. Okay, pairs came, that one is the even numbers. Pairs not came, that one is the odd number. Okay, next number 8. Now I am taking here 8 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arrange here A and B. A and B. First A lo 1 triangle and B another. Next A cut right here, cut, and here and here. Next here and here. In A side 4 triangles is there. In B side also 4 is there. Now here came to pairs. Here came to pairs. Means this one 8 even number or odd number. tell me, 8 is the even number or odd number? Yeah, 8 even number. Right here, even number. Next, take 9. Next, take 9 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, in 9 triangles arranged in both sides. A and B. A and B. Okay, A side. This one is the B side. This one is the A side. This one is the B side. Here A side. This side B. A side. This one is the B. Again one more is the balance. One is the balance is there. Means this one not came. Means 9 odd number. 9 is odd number. Okay. Next to take 10. Okay. Take 10 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Arrange in both sides. Okay. A side 120 and B side. Next A side and B side. A, B, A, B, A, B. Means both sides get same. Both sides get same. Means how many get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And B side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In both sides same is there. Came pairs. That's why 10 is even number. See here, even number means are those numbers which can be put in pairs are called even numbers. Odd number means all those numbers which may not be put in pairs are called odd numbers. Okay, see here, all of you. Look at here. Here, 2. 2 came here pairs. 1, 2. Okay, 2 pairs is there. Next take to 4. In 4, no, here 1 pair and here 1 pair. Yes or no? Means this one is a 2 is even number. Next 4 also even number. Next take 6. Okay, 6 here 1 pair, 2 pairs and 3 pairs. In 6 2 how many pairs are came? 3 pairs. First 1 pair, second, third. 3 pairs are came. That's why 6 even number. Next 8. 8 also even number. Why? Because see here total how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 first pair is came. First. Next 2. Next 3. Next 4. Total 4 pairs are came. That's why 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, 1 to 10 numbers. These numbers are even numbers. Once again see here. Here 2 is there in 2 pairs. Here 1 pair and here means came pair. Next 4. In 4 here 1 pair and second pair. 2 pairs are kept. Next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also came pair. 1, 2, 3. Next 8. Next. This one is the even number. Next one odd number. Odd number means all those numbers which may not be put in pairs are called odd numbers. Once again see here, all those numbers which may not be put in pairs are called odd numbers. See here 1. Only 1 is there. Pair not came. Next 3. Here only 1, 2, 3. Again one balance is there. Left is there. That's why 3 odd number. Next take 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here 1 pair, second pair. Again one balance is there. That's why 5 odd number. Next take 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here one balance is there. Yes or no? 1 is left. Means this one 7 odd number. Next take 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, one is left. Means 9 odd number. Okay, see here. Even numbers. What have even numbers? 1 odd number. Next, even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 2, 4, 6 and 8. In odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, these are odd numbers. These are even numbers. Even numbers means all those numbers which can be put in pairs are called even numbers. Odd numbers means all those numbers which not be put in pairs are called odd numbers. Okay. Next one, blanks. Okay, blanks. See here. Okay, tell me students, what is the even numbers? What is the odd number? See here 4 is there. 4 even or odd number? Tell me, 4 is even number or odd number? Yeah, 4 even number. 4 even number. Next, 2. 2 even or odd number? 2 even number. Next, 3. 3 even number or odd number? Odd number. Right here, odd. Next, 5 even or odd? Odd number. Okay, even numbers means 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These numbers are even numbers. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These numbers are odd numbers. What is the even number? What is the odd number? Even number means all those numbers which can be put in pairs are called even numbers. All those numbers which not be put in pairs are odd numbers. Okay, next. Seven, 9, 5. 7, 9, 5. In 7, 9, 5. 7 odd number, 9 odd number, 5 also odd number. Okay. After watching this video, work out the worksheets. Thank you.